A community house for all seasons. The community house is the beating heart of Scientists' Cliffs, which has developed a deeply rooted, multi-generational community that has attracted and welcomed new families as elders retire. This cherished building provides a place to raise our children in a safe village where they are known, valued, and loved by many. Our community is a cohesive one that has worked to support older members as they enjoy their twilight years through an enriched social setting. Historically, activities at the community house have attracted SCA family members in numbers ranging from 10 to more than 130. Upgrading this asset into a community house for all seasons will continue to build on the Gravitz vision of a tight-knit, beloved community where people congregate, connect, and collaborate as we move forward into the next 75 years of the building's existence. The Community House HVAC Subcommittee's mission was to investigate the options for such an upgrade, evaluate the different types of systems, and recommend the best option based on our findings. Over a 9-month period last year, we met with 6 HVAC companies. Each one came out for a site visit and gave their recommendations and estimates. After meeting with all the companies, it became apparent that one type of system would work best in the comm house. The ducted floor system, recommended by 4 of the 6 companies, would be housed in the crawl space under the floor of the building. This heat pump has a floor delivery system with better overall airflow throughout the building. The return grills, which can be made of wood to match the logs, will be high on each side of the walls of the main room's entranceway, with the return ducts housed in both storage closets on either side. The outside compressors are low profile and will be placed on the south side of the building where bushes can be planted around them to help hide their appearance. The system and ductwork will be encapsulated in the enclosed crawl space. Based on the findings of the HVAC feasibility report from March of 2021, and after our committee met with 5 building contractors about the project, the collective recommendation for preparing the building included insulating the inside walls of the main room, weather stripping all the windows and doors, and encapsulating the crawl space. Our committee will be meeting with a design and review committee to go over the exterior design for the foundation walls. The plan is to use hardy plank cement boards in between the stone pillars to mimic a parged wall in a color that will match the exterior logs. The total cost of the HVAC upgrade, with a 25% cushion built in, would be $150,573. The project is a capital expense and would have to get 2/3 of the vote at the fall meeting to pass. If it were to pass, the individual cost per household would be around $590. Thanks to Peter Cochran's hard work on running cost estimations, he calculated an annual cost of $8,700 to run the HVAC system in the community house year-round. When added to the cost of the R&R replacement and HVAC maintenance package, the total annual cost would be $15,630, which works out to a $61 annual cost per household, or about $5 a month. The Community House HVAC Subcommittee is spearheading a fundraising effort to offset the cost of this capital improvement to individual SCA members. Pledges will be taken over the coming months, but monies will be collected only if SCA passes this capital improvement. Collective action will greatly enhance the heart and future of our beloved community. We ask you to consider donating if you're able, and to be creative in imagining all the new ways that we can use the community house for all seasons as we prepare to celebrate the centennial of our community and beyond.